Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make this action lines effect for Final Cut Pro. Okay, the first thing you need to do is open Motion, select Final Cut Effect. Then I'm using this preset. Then hit OK or hit Open. Then the next thing we need to do is make a new group, Command-Shift-N. Then inside this group, let's add an object. Go to generators, and then clouds. Then while your clouds generator is selected, go to inspector. Here on the horizontal scale, let's set that to 22. The vertical scale, let's set that to 250. And for the speed, let's set that to 0 and let's add some rate behavior. So add parameter behavior rate. So we will adjust this later. Here on the gradient, let's set that to something like this one. Okay. Then here on the offset, Y offset, let's add a rate behavior also, add parameter behavior rate. Let's adjust that later. Here on the first layer strength, let's set that to 1. Then the other layer strength set to 0. Go to properties, then here on the scale, set that to 1000, the Y scale. Then this group, let's add a polar filter. So go to filters, distortion, and then polar. So as you can see, we already have this action line. Then in this group, let's add some mask, option C. Then let's reset that to center. Then go to mask and then invert mask. Then here on the radius, let's set that to 500. And then the feather, let's set that to something like, okay, 1500. Now let's go back to our clouds and let's start publishing some parameters. So let's publish this horizontal scale. Then remember our rate behavior here on the speed, which is this rate here, the first one. Let's publish the rate. Then let's also publish the other rate, this second one. So go back again to clouds. And then here on the method, let's publish that one. Then here on the first to the fourth layer strength, let's publish all of them. And before that, here on the method, let's change that to turbulent. Okay. Then this group, go to properties, and then let's publish this blend mode. This one is very important later. So let's now go to our published parameters and then let's rename them. Okay, so before that, here on the speed rate, let's set that to 0.01. And the offset rate, let's set that to 0.01 also. Let's add a poster frame. So go to the middle, Shift M, then change this to poster frame, press OK, and then let's save this one. So Command S. So for the category, I will make a new category, motion, time, action, lines. Then here on the template name, I will put action lines, publish. Now let's head on to Final Cut Pro. Okay, so here in Final Cut Pro, I have my footage here. So nothing fancy. Let's go to our effects tab. So let's select this one and then click and drag to our footage. Then as you can see, we already have our action lines applied to our video. So if you want to speed this up, let's just adjust the speed rate. Let's set to 1. So we have this one. And also the offset rate, maybe set that to 0.50. Then you can play around with the layer strengths to achieve different kind of result. So that's how to create this action lines effect for Final Cut Pro. I'll see you on to the next video.